For practice problem number 5, we're going to go ahead and reread it for a second here. It says the body of a 154-pound person contains approximately 2 times 10 to the negative first milligram of gold and 6 times 10 to the first milligrams of aluminum. Based on this information, the number of milligrams of aluminum in the body, and here's the key, is how many times, I'm going to go ahead and highlight that phrase, how many times the number of milligrams of gold in the body. So they're not just saying how much larger as a number, they're saying how many times larger. Whenever we want to compare how many times larger one number is than the other, it's helpful to set up a ratio so we can compare the two numbers. In this case, aluminum is going to be on the top of our ratio, and on the bottom of our ratio is going to be gold. The aluminum number, 6 times 10 to the first, and the gold number is 2 times 10 to the negative first. Whenever I'm comparing how many times larger one number is than the other, it's really kind of a division problem, or orders of magnitude is another way to think about it. I want to think first for the coefficient. 6 is how many times larger than 2. I know 6 divided by 2 equals exactly 3. So I know the coefficient for aluminum is 3 times greater than the coefficient for gold. And I see aluminum is multiplied by 1 copy of 10. Gold is going to get divided by 1 copy of 10 because that's 10 to the negative first. So there's really 2 more copies of 10 up here compared to the bottom. So I could recognize there's 2 extra 10s on the top. There's positive 1 10 multiplied by a 10 on the aluminum number. The gold number divides by 1 10. So that's 2 fewer 10s on the bottom than the top. 3 times 10 to the second is really 300. So I know that aluminum is in total 300 times larger than gold because the coefficient is 3 times as large, and there's 2 extra powers of 10. You could have set this up another way. 6 times 10 to the first is 60. 2 times 10 to the negative first is 0.2. And if you do 60 divided by 0.2 on your calculator, you're also going to see 300.